yesterday evening something been delivered. Got a car in already. It's another big project. We actually not received it. It will be shipped 16th of January from USA and it's coming to us. But however, car is with us already, so we're going to store it for a while, inspect the car, so we've got time to plan ahead our job, right? It's very interesting, unusual car. Honestly, I never seen them on the road. That's for me is kind of review. So looking forward to work on this car. Let's get in and have a look. She's greeting you in the morning. Say hi. Yeah, here she is. Maserati MC20. The car is already have PPF, so we're not doing PPF on this car. Honestly, I never seen them. And our task is to install the body kit. Also, wheels gonna be replaced. Previously, I was mentioned that we've got some tires arrived. In line with tires, we received these beauties. That's the model numbers, if someone is fancy for. We're definitely gonna go to our homies from DGT Tires. Once we get there, we'll speak with them a little bit as well. Well, yeah, Maserati MC20 wheels going to be replaced. I'm actually don't know at all about the design of these wheels. Making very basic commercial look. I think the new wheels will fit this car much better. It's our next project. Gonna be an interesting project. Massive body kit, wide, carbon, new exhaust, new wheels, tires.
So yeah, some progress, slowly. As you can see, before and after. Usually when we trim the seats, we keep one just to see before and after. The passenger side always first, and then I crack on with the other ones. So what we got so far, we done the cover for passenger seats and we're just placing it down, checking if all the dimensions fitting well. And it seems like pretty decent. Of course, we're gonna remove all the markings. We're gonna, you know, do some detailing, and after the detailing, the whole beauty of the leather comes out. So I'm pretty pleased with it. And yeah, once it's all detailed, we'll be ready to go back in the car.
Received front lip for Abarth 124. Basically, that thing was only one in stock in UK. I know it sounds loud, one in UK, but that's true. A lot of resellers, retailers who sell in the body kits like Maxtons and so on, they don't have them in stock, and waiting period is from 4 to 8 weeks, so you have to pre-order them. But luckily we found only one, guys. I think they're from Wales, and we received this one. Have to go for repaint first, respray. Look, it's absolutely like mark off price for this spoiler. We paid £300. I quickly checked the fitment. Fitment looks really good, very precise angles, so it shouldn't be a problem to install it. Once we start working on this car, I've done some little research what people doing with these cars, the way they building them, what design they pick, and what I've seen is quite a funny car to have to drive. Literally going next door with this splitter to our neighbors. They're always helping us to do a powder coat painting. This is the last bolt into the bumper. Officially last bolt to the bumper.